Well, good morning, everybody. We are, well, it's still a little dark. It's about 7 in the morning. You'll be able to see a little bit better once the sun comes up some more. We're down in the valley, so there's not a lot of light yet, but we're gonna get started on breakfast. I'm gonna start getting the tent packed up here real quick because we're gonna eat some breakfast and then we're gonna get back on the road over to the hiking area where we want to hike today. We're gonna go hike to another fire tower is the plan, but I've got to get everything packed up, the tent and everything, and I think Sarah's gonna make some pancakes for breakfast this morning. It's gonna be delicious as usual. We are packed up. We kind of tried to move quick this morning, but didn't move very quick. It's 10 o'clock. We were hoping to be out of here over an hour ago to get to our hike, but there was just a lot of delays, and it was really nice to just let the kids play by the creek. Then we lost a pacifier. That took 15-20 minutes just searching. If you have little kids, you know how important those can be, especially on road trips. But we're finally leaving. We're gonna head over to the hiking area and go hike up to an old fire watch tower. This is going to be a really cool hike. Been wanting to do this for a long time, ever since I saw a picture of the place. So we're going to go check it out. We have made it to our hiking destination, and a little later than we planned, but we're starting the hike, so see what we can find up here. Ready?
I'm having my yeah!
All right,
time to exercise.
Go around, under, over.
Going around. Best laid plan. There's another one. Come on.
This trail is, well, obviously just an old road, but it's uphill all the way going in, so it'll be downhill all the way going out. It's an in and out, 2 miles in, 2 miles out. We're getting close, though. I think we're about 1.75 miles, 1.5 miles, 3/4, so good workout. Good stretch of the legs. We have made it. This is another old fire watch tower, one of the few that's still remaining. Pretty cool. I'm not sure, but I think we can go inside this one. Neat spot.
That is super fly. Look at that nice.
Oh, wow.
It's a nice view.
Yeah. Watch out for the wasps.
That's a super duper nice view. So this was the surprise. Daddy, come get a
Ah.
Nice breeze up here.
Oh, it feels good.
Shade and breeze.
Shade, breeze, top of the mountain with a view. This was worth the hike. And Laser's asleep.
Why would you like this to be your
All right, we're geared back up. We're gonna head back down the mountain. But this place is pretty cool. It was worth the hike for sure. Really cool. Cool spot. You can see Shady Lake all the way down there. That's where we were last night, right over in there. Just a really nice view, really neat spot. But we're gonna head back down the mountain, isn't that right, Zaya? Hey, what are you doing? All right, let's go.
in the middle box? More what? Oh yeah.
Why is this one like that? You broke it.
You peeled it all off. Do not eat it.
We've just about made it. We see the vehicle. Gideon's very excited because he worked really hard, went down the hill really fast, and beat everybody down. So, it's a good day. We made it back 2 miles in 40 minutes. That is probably a record for us with kids. So, that's pretty good. But it was all downhill. So.
And then it broke.
We're back to the camper, so we're going to probably grab a little lunch and snack, hop back on the road, and we're not done yet. We got some more stuff to see. We do have to be home today at some point. It's gonna be a long day because we got a long ways to go to get home, but we got more to see before we head home. Can you walk?
Nope.
I'm talking to you.
My coat. I'll put my rock in there too. Hey, Daddy and Mommy, guess what we're carrying?
Sometimes they're sweet.
We're carrying Jesus loves
We just stopped off here because I spotted this. I really have no idea what it is. It's like a little dam, but there's no depth to this. Whatever this once was, it's filled in. Maybe at one time it was a swimming hole or something. I don't know. Don't know what it is. Just a concrete wall and a pool of water, but there's no depth to it. Like maybe it's just filled up with sediment over the years. Don't know, but we're gonna keep exploring this road. We have stopped off at another location. We're gonna go look at Little Missouri Falls. I've never been here. Sarah, have you been to Little Missouri?
Nope.
Little Missouri Falls on the Little Missouri River. So we're gonna go check it out, see what it looks like.
Interesting rock.
Well, we've made it down to the falls. There's just a bunch of different falls going through here. Here's one over here. And then down the creek it's a really pretty area. It's also popular, so there's a lot of people here. Not a lot, but several. But still a neat spot. Good spot to chill out in the water, but I don't think we're going to today. Sure, right after a big rain, this would be really incredible to see. There'd be just all kinds of waterfalls running through here after a big rain. But there's been some rains. This is probably like an average flow right now, but I don't really know. Never been here before, but it's pretty nonetheless. There's another waterfall right down there. We are driving on down to Albert Pike area. There's another place I haven't been to, but I know it's supposed to be really pretty. But we're following right along the Little Missouri River, and it's a really pretty area. I've never been here before, so we're really enjoying the creek. We're just cruising, marking campsites, and looking for places we might want to come back. And we found a massive camp spot here. You could probably put, I don't know, a lot of vehicles, 15, 20 rigs in here. multiple campfire rings. It's pretty nice. Trying not to hit any trees working our way around in here. So we're marking all of the sites we've been to and seen along the way on Gaia, and this route and those sites will be on Patreon for our Patreon followers if you want to follow in our footsteps and see some of the places we've been. So that's there if you want it, but this is pretty cool. We got a storm coming in on us too, it sounds like. No.
Sorry, my brain did not think. Oh man. That's really neat. It's green.
Well, we're here in the Albert Pike area and we've kind of driven around through it, but it's pouring down rain, so I don't think we're gonna get out and explore anymore. And it's getting late and we've got a long drive to get home. So we're gonna head home in the rain, and at the end of the trip we got a long drive. If anything exciting happens, we'll let you know, but otherwise we're just gonna drive. So. And now it's hailing, so very exciting. On the CB, and we're under a flash flood warning, but we're up on higher ground. We should be fine, just as long as we don't have to cross these things super low, and we're not going to do that anyway, so we'll make sure we're safe. But we are in a flash flood warning right now with this thunderstorm, so I guess they did get a little more excited. The low water bridge at Polk Creek, which is currently under a flash flood warning, and just came across on the radio just a minute ago. The creek didn't have a lot of water in it yet, but I'm glad we're across that and headed up into the mountains on the other side, because that could very well be underwater in a matter of minutes. So we should be good. We're headed uphill. We got a little water bridge here. Glad to not see water on that yet, but there's going to be a lot of water in here in a minute because it is pouring up in the watershed for this area. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.